Welcome back to Creative Mezard. In 15 curry series, today we are going to make the classic Sambar. Let's get started. First, let's pressure cook dal. I've taken here 1 cup of Toor dal, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, 30 shallots, 25 pods of garlic. We'll roast it in ghee with 2 teaspoons of turmeric and asafoetida block. I've taken the vegetables, whatever was there in the fridge. I've taken some carrots, a cucumber, banana peppers, taro, tomatoes, and coriander leaves, a must for sambar. For masala paste, I've taken 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of jeera powder. Lemon size tamarind, asafoetida powder, salt as required. For tempering, I've taken 3 shallots, curry leaves, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds. First, let's wash turad dal. Now add the fenugreek seeds. In a pressure cooker, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Adding ghee will increase the richness and aroma of sambar. Now add asafoetida and roast till it becomes crunchy. The secret to achieve the hotel sambar aroma is roasting asafoetida in ghee. Try this out. Now saute the shallots and garlic. Add turmeric. First add turad dal, roast it for a few minutes and then add water. Pressure cook for 4 whistles. Cook the vegetables with 3 ladles of water from the cooked dal. Salt as required. I like biting into tomato pieces while having sambar, so add handful now, rest save it for later. Let it boil for a few minutes and then add the cooked dal. Add rest of the tomatoes and generous amount of chopped coriander leaves. This is how I add all the masalas. In a bowl, add the chili powder, coriander powder, jeera powder. Mix it with the prepared tamarind paste. Adjust salt accordingly. For tempering, add oil and mustard seeds. The trick here is to fry the shallots till it's golden crispy brown. Here I have forgotten to add curry leaves and asafoetida powder. Please do add it. Add handful of coriander leaves and quickly transfer it to the sambar. Let it come to a rolling boil. Add handful of coriander leaves and put the lid back on. Serve it hot with soft idlis and enjoy. Until next time, bye.